You may wonder why some wheel speed sensors have such a long wiring harness. Well, the answer is signal integrity and corrosion prevention. Now, this wheel speed sensor harness is longer than 2 feet. The sensor is attached to the knuckle and the wiring is contained within a protective sheath that is routed through a bracket on the strut and then behind the fender liner, where it plugs into a connector located behind the strut tower. The connector has seals to prevent water intrusion. After the connector, the wires for the sensor almost always go directly to the ABS Hydraulic Control Unit, or HCU. This level of protection is required because if the ABS or ADAS system is not functioning as intended, it poses a safety issue. Also, most modern wheel speed sensors have a level of resolution that was unheard of 15 years ago. But this resolution can be diminished if wires are infected with corrosion caused by water, dirt, and road salt. Some of your customers might be looking for a shortcut when replacing a wheel speed sensor or a wheel bearing hub unit with an integrated wheel speed sensor. Some may cut the harness and splice it to the original harness. This way, they bypass having to deal with a difficult to remove fender liner. No matter how much solder, heat shrink tubing, or electrical tape is used, eventually the splice will succumb to the harsh conditions in the wheel well. So if you see a returned wheel speed sensor that has been cut or spliced, it is not eligible for warranty. This is also a sales opportunity to sell the customer replacement trim fasteners and fender liners. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.